Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to edit the PHP code of WordPress in Hostinger File Manager. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then click on Websites. And next to the WordPress website you want to edit the PHP code for, click on Dashboard. Now go to Files, then select File Manager. Click on Access Files of your website name, and File Manager will open up in a new window. Double-click this public HTML folder, and now locate your PHP file that you want to edit first. Let's edit, for example, this index.php file, and to edit it, it's simple. Click on it using the right button of your mouse and select Edit, and your PHP file will open up this way. Now edit your PHP file as you want, and when you finish editing your PHP file, instead of clicking this X to close this window, you make sure to click on this save button or icon first, like this, in order to get this check mark. After that, you can close this window and try to access your website like that to see your new PHP file editing. And this is how to edit the PHP code of WordPress in Hostinger File Manager. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like.